Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get bloom in MM2. Bloom is a fantastic visual effect that makes bright areas in your game glow, adding a beautiful, immersive touch. It truly enhances the overall look and feel of your gameplay, making everything appear more vibrant and dynamic. Understanding how to enable this feature can significantly upgrade your visual experience in Murder Mystery 2. To begin, you will need to open the Roblox game menu while you are actively playing Murder Mystery 2. Look for the gear icon, which typically represents the settings panel. Once inside, you will find various options. Your goal is to locate the graphics quality settings, as this is where you will make the necessary adjustments to enable the bloom effect. To activate bloom, you must set your graphics quality to at least level 8 or even higher. This is crucial because the bloom effect is typically integrated into the game's more advanced visual settings. Remember, a higher graphics quality demands more from your device, so ensure your system can handle it for a smooth and enjoyable experience. After enabling bloom, take some time to experiment with different graphics levels. Find the perfect balance between stunning visuals and smooth performance that suits your device. A powerful computer or mobile device will ensure you fully enjoy the enhanced visual fidelity. Now, go forth and experience Murder Mystery 2 with its beautiful, immersive bloom effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.